Hello friends, I am Neha Ranawat, Assistant Professor in Biyani Group of Colleges. Today I am going to give lecture on the family system in India. Mainly there are two types of family in our India. First is joint family and the second is nuclear family. But I am going to giving focus on the joint family. According to Iravati, look the definition of joint family. According to Iravati Karve, the definition of joint family is all the members live together in common roof, eat together, do participate in each festival and do worship with each other. Mainly according to R.P. Desai, the joint families belong with blood relations. All members of families are connected with each other, blood relations. They are more responsible with each other. They are correlated and they have a very strong we feeling with each other. Now, characteristics of a joint family. The first topic of characteristics of joint family is common roof. All the family members in joint family live under a common roof. They have a one common area and they live together under a one house. Now the second and other characteristics of joint family is a common kitchen. Common kitchen or family members. Now my another second point is of joint family is common kitchen. In joint family, we found a tradition of common kitchen. All the female members of our family cooked food together, eat together, and the guest has come in our family and they serve with each other with cooperation feelings. Now, the second point is common worship. In joint family, all the members of our family celebrate all our large festivals like Diwali, Dussehra, Holi, Raksha Bandhan with each other. Now next point is large size. In joint family, many pupils live together. According to R.P. Desai, joint family is a group of pupils. Many pupils are connected with each other and they are called grandpa, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt and our cousins. That being a family big and large. Another point of characteristics of joint family is common property. In a joint family, there is a tradition system in our culture is a common property. No participation of our property find in a joint family. All members live in a common house and with their elders. And the last point is common rights. In joint family, all family members from children to adult and to elders have a common rights. Children have their own rights like doing playing and eating and do study on their work. And mainly means the male members of our family go outside for earning, get earning, and mothers and our grandmother have a work regarding to our household works. They teach values, traditions to our children and do all the domestic work of our house. So that was my topic, family system in India of joint family. For more other details, just contact to gurukpo.com. Thank you.